What's the time, please?
Która godzina, proszę?
It's 37 past 5.
Jest 37 po piątej.
The time is 5:37.
Jest godzina 5:37.
It's 37 after 5.
Jest 37 minut po piątej.
It's 37 minutes past 5.
Jest 37 po piątej.
It's 37 minutes after 5.
37 minut po piątej. What's the time, please? It's 37 past 5. What's the time, please? The time is 5:37. What's the time, please? It's 37 after 5. What's the time, please? It's 37 minutes past 5. What's the time, please? It's 37 minutes after 5.